Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jesus. I'm with the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. I'm the director of membership, but I'm also part of this great team that we called our communications team. And every single day we go live on KBNO and on Facebook for a couple of reasons. And we do this for a couple of reasons. One is to connect with our membership, our community in general, and also to share all those resources, information that we know is vital for many businesses, and also our people in general, our community in general, and the community. So today we have a special guest. We've been talking about healthcare. We've been talking about the new eligibility and the new discounts, and basically all of this is part of the new plan signed by President Biden. And we've been asking ourselves many questions. And one of them was, why don't we connect with those that know more than us? Why don't we share the screen, and why don't we bring them along so that they can share with our community a little more about who they are, what they do, and if they, and also ask them to explain to us a little more about what this new law means, and also how they can access more these different programs, especially when it comes to health. Their name, Connect for Health Colorado. Her name is Mónica Caballeros, and she is with us today. I want to say welcome to our small Factor H segment. Today we want to welcome you and also ask you so many questions. But we also know that you're there for us, that you're going to be there as a good friend to connect our community with Connect for Health Colorado. Welcome.
Thanks for having me, and I sure am.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Well, first of all, we wanna make sure that people knows who Connect for Health Colorado is. Who are you? What do you guys do in the state of Colorado?
We are what's called the official health insurance marketplace for Colorado. That is a fancy way of saying that we are the place to go to get your health insurance. If you can't get it from your job, for example, if you don't qualify for Medicaid, if you, again, you don't get that group insurance from your employer, we are the place to go to get your health insurance. And we're the only place that can offer financial help to make your coverage more affordable. Sometimes we've been known as the Obamacare plans, but again, that just means all our plans we sell have all those essential protections and benefits that the Affordable Care Act lays out, like those free preventive services, for example.
Okay, so this is what we used to know as the Obamacare. I mean, in fact,
you got it.
We still call it the Obamacare. So this is a way for people to access health insurance. Now, do they get health insurance with one specific company, or they can get it from multiple? They can get different options from multiple companies.
The majority of people in the majority of counties across Colorado will have more than one health insurance company offering health insurance to them. The way it works is that we work with the different health insurance companies that people recognize and that they know, and they will sell plans of different levels of coverage through our marketplace. But where they sell is their decision. And so some people, for example, who are in the metro area, who are in the Springs, who are up north, are going to probably see more plan choice. And as we know, some folks who are in the mountain areas still have, there's a few counties where there is only one health insurance company, but for the most part, there's a lot more plan choice this year.
When can we sign up? As a citizen, as an individual in Colorado, when can we sign up for this program or for this plan? Right now.
Usually we have an open enrollment period that starts on November 1 and it goes to January 15. And that's your one time during the year to sign up. And if you miss that window, you can only sign up if you have a qualifying life event. But this year has been quite a bit different. And so we know that with the pandemic still going on, the President Biden opened up the federal marketplace, healthcare.gov, starting on February 8 and saying, we're going to open it back up, let people come in and enroll if they don't have coverage. And we said, you know what, we're going to do the same thing. So February 8, we opened our doors and we're going to keep them open for people to get signed up until August 15.
Beautiful. So that means we have a little bit more time for us to sign up and also to ask as many questions as we may have, right? Because it may be new for some, may not be as new for others, but it may be new for many people out there. So please, if you have any questions, I know that you're sharing with us a little bit more information today, your website, your phone number. I'm gonna see if I can find it here so we can share with those who are watching. Please take a screenshot, pause it, take a photo with your other phone. I mean, do whatever you need to do, but please share this information with those you know that might need it. We're going to leave this video on our Facebook page and YouTube so you can watch it again. That way you can learn more about Colorado, Connect for Health Colorado, and also about these new discounts and also the eligibility, because as you mentioned during our radio show today, there's some new changes, right? Can you please tell us a little more about it? That way we can share with our community and we can learn more about what this eligibility means, this new eligibility means to us, and also the new discounts.
Last month, President Joe Biden signed the American Rescue Plan, which is sometimes more commonly known as the COVID relief package. And as you may recall, that was a really big law. In addition to giving, those direct stimulus checks, there were also some things that changed about how people get healthcare when they go to places like Connect for Health Colorado. And specifically, he is going to give more financial help, or we, Connect for Health Colorado, now has the money. So we'll be giving more financial assistance to people who are coming through starting today. And that additional financial help is actually going to be for all your plans for 2021 and in 2022. But since people, are still really feeling the economic impacts and recovering from this pandemic, and so if you need help right away, know that as soon as right now, today, you can go back to Connect for Health Colorado, and not only can you sign up for a plan, but you can start taking advantage of these bigger savings that are available. And so specifically, if you didn't qualify in the past because of your income, those income limits are gone. Anyone can come through and could qualify for financial help, even if you have a higher income level. And another big change is that people who have received any week of unemployment in 2021 actually qualify for $0 and low-cost plans. And so you can come in and you can get just extra help if you have been someone who has gotten unemployment or someone in your family got unemployment this year. And so again, if you're a new customer, if you're never heard of Connect for Health before today, all you need to know is that you can get signed up for health insurance, and there's lots and lots of financial help more than ever available to you.
Excellent. So you're saying again is if they receive or they were in unemployment for let's say in 2020 or 2021, either or, they can qualify for zero premium or low cost?
That's right. And actually, it's if you've received unemployment in 2021
Okay.
is what the law says. Yeah. But if you have gotten anything in this year, or if you do receive anything, make sure you come back and report it to us so we can give you those $0 plans.
Excellent. Well, really, really important. I think people should know this, and we're going to make sure that we can share this with the rest of our community. Please, can you please give us a little bit of help in how to navigate your website? I know that you have there's plenty of information on your website, and this is the website that we have on the screen right now. It's scrolling through. It's connectforhealthco.com, and we are going to, if you give me a second, I'm going to go online and open that a new page. Let me see. Perfect. And please let me know if this is the website.
Perfect.
Okay.
So this is our website, connectforhealthco.com. Very important. There are other websites that look like us or, have kind of similar names. So I'm really glad you're showing this. I think that there are going to be two kind of important tools that I want folks to know about. So if you want to go right to the application, you would click that green button that says Get Coverage Now. But if you wanted to take a look, and that'll bring you right to the application page, that's right, to either start an account, sign into an account. But if you, let's say, for example, are looking for a little bit more help, if you want some personalized in-person help, you're someone who doesn't want to do it by yourself online. Again, maybe this is your first time. You can navigate over to the We Can Help button, and that's where you can find different types of right all the way over on the right-hand side here, We Can Help. And that's where you can search for different assisters, brokers, events, customer service, and enrollment centers. And if you wanted, for example, to get in touch with a broker, that's a person who is certified by Connect for Health Colorado, and they are able to explain the difference between plans. Enrollment centers, which is the page you're looking at now, are actually in-person locations that are staffed by these brokers, that are staffed by assisters. And actually, I say in person, but this year they've offered a lot of virtual and phone assistance. And you can literally just look right there and see who in your area you can call or get in touch with for assistance. We have 44 locations all around the state. And as you can see, we've really tried to expand our reach into not just, the Denver metro area, but really putting lots of help and assistance in local areas where people need it. So that's one way that you can get in touch with somebody. If you want, again, a little more personalized assistance, and I can speak for myself, I'm one of those people, if it's something totally new, I feel like I don't understand it that well, or just want someone who can talk me through it, I really like having the option to go to someone personal. And then, of course, there's, if you're ready, there's one more tool I wanted to show, which is called our Quick Cost and Plan Finder. And that actually, right under Get Started, if you go to Explore Plans, you got it. That should bring you, and you click right there on Explore Plans. Oh, compare costs and plans, click. Perfect. And this is what is called our Quick Cost and Plan Finder tool. It is anonymous, and so it doesn't save any of the information that you put in. And in just a few minutes, you can enter basic information about, your ages, your estimated income. It'll give you right away an estimated result about, and this is, as you can see, it does ask for a first name. You can make up a name if you're not comfortable. You'll put in your zip code in your county, because that is how we know what sort of plans are offered in your area. And then you'll want to click want to find out if you qualify for financial help. You'll click yes. And after you enter those few bits of information, we'll give you a result. And then on the next few pages, you'll be able to do a couple more clicks and very easily see all of the plans available to you, plus what the plans cost with after the financial help has been applied. So those are two really quick tools. And if you're someone who wants a little more help making some of these decisions, you've never had to shop for health insurance before because it's always been an employer maybe offering it to you, these are some great ways to get started.
Excellent. So just in case, and I'm saying, again, I cannot speak for everyone, but I want to say that, let's say for myself, if I go online, I see the information, but I get stuck at one point, and I need to ask some questions, someone, right? Especially nowadays in COVID pandemic era, where sometimes it's hard to find a real person to talk to, right? Oh, not that it's not real, but I mean in person. To meet them in person, yes, do have a way for them to call you guys and for you guys to help them over the phone.
That's exactly right. Or they'll set up a virtual appointment. And then some of our assistance sites are located, for example, in hospitals and clinics. And in a few instances, we do have some in person, but it's more limited.
Okay, so the number to dial is 855-752-6749. Perfect. And it's also on the website. Just so you can see on your top right, you will see the phone number, 855 plans for you. Oh, well, that's catchy. 855 plans for you. Beautiful. Well, please, kudos to the marketing team. They're doing a great job. And I also want to say thank you, and I want to thank all your team. I know there's plenty of people behind the brand Connect for Health Colorado, because you guys want to make sure that everyone gets the help and support they need. But especially when new laws are being written and signed, I want to know that I want to say that you guys get on it immediately, right? You guys get to work to make sure that people takes advantage of these new benefits. Once again, we cannot thank you enough, Monica. We look forward to having you back here and in our virtual studio to share not only stories, but also perhaps some tutorials in how to access the information, because this is an ongoing thing. I want to say that yes, 2020 was not probably the year that we were all expecting, but we're here working as hard as we can to make sure that we can succeed and we can meet all of our goals. And I'm speaking on behalf of many of our members who are in business. I want to say that now they have new options when it comes to health. Now they have new options for them to connect with our membership, in this case with you. And we want to leave that door open for them to go to you and be able to connect with you, because if there's one thing that we want to make sure that they can walk away from this video is to have your name, your phone number, and a way for them to connect directly with Connect for Health. That's the most important thing for us. This is a way for us to support our membership, because the best way that we can say that we have succeeded is if everyone enters into what we call a win-win situation, where we can all walk away with some sort of benefit. So thank you again, and please, our best regards to the rest of the team, and we look forward to having you back again.
Thank you so much for having me.
In the near future. Thank you so much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this was our small segment, Factor H Factor. This is something we do in Spanish every single day on KBNO to reach out to the masses, but we also do it on social media, to leave it on social media for you to watch at your own, at your convenience, and also for you to share with those that you know that might need it the most. Once again, my name is Jesus, and I look forward to seeing you guys again in the near future.